done. Let me see. I've been wondering. Since not even a single.
Cloud Security Essentials Training Course. This is the name of our training course today. We will cover the security essentials for the cloud hosting applications, and we will cover also some of the very important basics related to the cloud operations as well. First of all, I would like to have a quick idea about IT certificates and tell you exactly what we are doing, what are our products, services, objectives. IT certificates, it's an internet service. It's developed in November 2020. Our main objectives to provide IT security basics and principles and concepts in a very simple way. We want to simplify the security basics and make it very easy and to help the others to understand these concepts as well. Also, we want to provide some free training courses and video training courses which are published on the IT Certificates YouTube channel. And these courses, it will cover the hot topics, basics, principles, security architecture, and a lot of other very interesting topics which you may find it useful for your work and for your experience and certifications as well. What are our objectives? We have four main objectives to, as we mentioned, to simplify the IT data security basics and concepts. This is our main objective. By the way, security, it's not difficult. Security, it is not magic. Security, it's science, and it's very easy if you can understand the concepts in a proper and rightful way. Then this means that you can have the security as your career. And as usually I am saying that security, it's not only a career, it's a passion. If you are like security, you will feel that security, it will provide you with a lot of opportunities, even in income, in prestige, and a lot of other things which it will be really admissible. The other point that we want to share our practical experience with the academic experience. I have around 30 years working in IT field, 10 of them in IT network infrastructure, and the last 20 years in security. Our main objective, we want to mix and match this experience, even it's practical and academic, as one set. This it will be very helpful. You will feel a big difference if you have the practical and the academic experience in your work. And this it will be very clear in passing certificates, in troubleshooting, if you are working on solving problems and so on. Also, we want to provide free courses, and we have a lot of free courses, and I think this is one of these free courses which we are providing. Also, we are provide cost-effective courses. It means that you have to pay for it, but of course, it's not like the market. We are charging only one third of the normal market courses, with like CISSP, CCSP, Security Plus, CEH, with what we know that they are popular certificates in the security field and in the market. Last objective, it will be to help our trainee to pass the international certification exams from the various tribes. This is very important. If you will attend any of the IT certification courses, we will provide you the information and the methodology which it will help you to pass this exam from the first time, and we will save a lot of money and time for you to pass the exam. What are our products and services? We are providing a lot of products and services. Number one, this is the security posters. The security posters, it's one slide, and this one slide, it will contain some description or definitions for security basics, concepts, or maybe hot topics or emerging technologies as AI, digital transformation, and so on. Capsule training courses. These training courses, we are the only 3 hours training courses, half day training. I don't want to say training course, it's a capsule training course because it's only 3 hours, but it will highlight some very important topic in security as identity access management, as IoT, as risk management. We will give you the information about this topic, and we will give you the references if you want to get more information about them. But the information which we will provide it during the capsule course, it will be enough that put you on the, give you the first step how to start and to understand the general concepts which it will help you to dig further in this topic and understand more information and collect more information about it. The third service, it is the video training courses. In the video training courses, we are developing some training courses, video training courses, and we are publishing these courses over the YouTube IT certificates channel. We are providing a lot of information and some security basics and concepts and security architectures component. This will be very helpful, and usually it will be between 10 to 15 minutes, and this you will find it very useful if you go through the training courses in the training, I mean videos in the YouTube channel. You will find very interesting topic which it can be very helpful for you, and it will can help you in your search for whatever any topics which you are looking for. Then we have the security training courses. Security training courses similar to the one which we will start today, and this course it will be 3 days, almost 2.5 to 3 hours every session, and it will be for 3 sessions. It will cover one of the security topics. Today we have the cloud security essentials. Next week we will have another topic for cryptography. The week after we will have another topic for risk management. When these courses, it will be very helpful, and it will help you to understand the topic and teach you a lot of concepts and very important definitions, and it will provide the information to you in the form of recorded videos, which you can access it through the YouTube. Security workshops, usually we found that people, they have a good experience, or not experience, I mean good academic experience in the security topics. But unfortunately, we don't know how to apply this security academic information in practical. Now I am maybe ISO 27001 certified or ISO 22301 certified, and I don't know how I can develop my experience when I can help my organization or any other organization to implement the ISO in its infrastructure. In the security workshops, we will develop a virtual company, and we will provide you the company, the information about the company, the mission, vision, objectives, and the organization structure, and all the required information for the organization. And we will ask you and help you step by step how to develop ISO 27001, for example, in this organization. In other security workshops, we have how to implement a risk management program in the organization, how you can develop the templates for your work, for example, discovering assets, discovering vulnerabilities, threats, risk assessments, and all the required information mandatory and necessary for the risk management, or maybe the ISO 27001 certification. Finally, the IT certificates courses. These are the international courses like CISSP, CCSP, CEH, Security Plus. As we mentioned, this is the only course which it's payable in IT certificates. The first first 4 courses are free courses, but course number 5 and 6, we are payable, and we are charging only 1/3 of the market cost. For example, we are providing CCSB, ISC square CCSB course for 1,100 Saudi riyals. Or you can say about 350 or maybe 330 US dollars. You know that this course, it may cost maybe 750 US dollars in other companies or training centers. These are the services which we are providing in IT certificates. These are some important information about myself. This is your instructor, Osama Yahya. I have 29 years of practical experience in the network field and data security. I am handling now the certification of CISSP, CCSB, Security Plus, CEH, PMB, ISO 27001, ISO 27005, and currently I am working on the ISO 22301. I hope that I will be able to achieve it, and it will be added to our portfolio for IT certificates very soon. I am working in SABIC as a senior security and infrastructure architect. You know that I am based in Saudi Arabia, and I am Egyptian, but I am working in Saudi Arabia. I lived almost all my life in Saudi Arabia, almost the last 30 years in Saudi Arabia. These are my previous positions. I was working as information systems HIS manager and operation manager in Nahdi Medical Company. Also, I work as a technical manager for Qasim University. And these are the experience and certificates which I handled.